A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to solve some questions of exercise 6.1. So in the previous video you have learned what are the different types of lines, angles, what are corresponding angles, alternate angles. So today we are going to apply those concepts and solve some problems of the textbook. So the first question of exercise 6.1 is, in the figure shown, that means this figure, AB and CD intersect at O. So in this figure you can see the two lines AB and CD intersect at the point O. So two lines cut at the point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. So AOC means this angle plus angle BOE. So BOE, that means this angle. So it is given the question that the sum of these two angles, that is AOC and BOE, is equal to 70 degree. And angle BOD is 40. That means angle BOD, that means this angle is given to us, that is how much? 40 degree. So we have to find the measure of angle BOE. So we have to find the measure of this angle as well as reflex angle COE. So COE, reflex means this whole angle, okay? This whole angle we call as the reflex angle. So let us try. So as given in the question, AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, okay? Now you see here, this is a straight line, correct? So if this is a straight line, we can directly say that the sum of all these three angles will be 180 degree. So we can write like this: AOB is a straight line. Okay, AOB is a straight line. It means sum of this angle and this angle will give you 180 degree. So we can write angle AOC. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So this one, the given one, you can write equation number 1. Now you see here, AOC plus BOE is equal to how much? 70 degree. So we can say like this: AOC plus BOE. The sum of these two angles is how much? 70. So we can write like this: angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE equal to 180 degree. That means we are combining these two angles, as because the sum of these two angles is given to us as 70. Now we can replace this value by equation number 1, that is 70 degree. So 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. So we can write like this. So angle COE will be equal to, bring the 70 in the right hand side. So it will be 180 minus 70. You will get 110 degree. So we got measure of angle COE as 110. But in the question it asks to you, what is the reflex angle? So if I want to find the reflex angle, we have to subtract from 360 degree. So reflex angle COE, See, angle COE is 110. But when the question is reflex of angle COE, it means we have to subtract from 360 degree. So if you subtract, you will get 0 by. So reflex angle COE is 250 degree. Okay. So we have got this value. Now what is angle BOE? Angle BOE. BOE. Okay, you see here. So now see, angle COE. How much we got? 110. So we can write here 110 degree. Okay. Now see, BOD is 40 degree. Now these two angles are equal. The reason is they are vertically opposite angles. So if this is 40, this is also how much? 40 degree. Now you see here, it is given in the question, the sum of these two angles is how much? 70. So if this is 40, this will be how much? This will be our 30 degree. You can check it. 40 plus 110 is 150. 150 plus 30 is 180. So how much we got angle BOE? Hence, we can write like this. Hence, angle BOE will be equal to 30 degree. So in this manner we can solve and we can visualize the problem and we can solve accordingly. Thank you.